Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the notification on the Outlook email application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open your Outlook application. Of course, if you don't have it, download it on your desktop. All you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to download the Outlook application. Once you open the browser that you're going to use, of course, any browser could be possibly working for you will be great. Just go and open it and go to the URL section and type download Outlook. And of course, just hit the first link and start downloading it. And you can even follow the instructions of downloading any application. It will be pretty simple. You must have already downloaded something on your PC, right? So once it's downloaded, you will need to install it and open it. Now, they will ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you don't have an account, you'll find at the top right or maybe in the middle an option to create an account. Of course, you'll find it somewhere and you'll be able to create it simply. It will be pretty simple. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account and logged in into it, you'll find yourself here with this home page or with this main screen. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to turn off notifications on the Outlook application. So if you want to do that, simply just go and choose File at the top left corner, click on that, and now you would like to choose Options, and here you'd like to choose the Mail option. So once you are here, enter the message arrival. As you can see, here is this option. You will need to select or clear the display or a desktop alert checkbox and then select OK. So as you can see, here is it, display desktop alert. You can just go and check this, then hit the OK button. For me, I don't want to disable it, but I'm just going to let it on. But for you, just disable it if you want to turn off the notification and hit OK. And as you can see, it will restart Outlook for you and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.